In this video, we are going to look at GoHighLevel's prospecting tool and how to use it. So when you are in your agency account, you click on prospecting tool, and then you can find a button, add a new prospect. When you click on add a new prospect, a page like this would show up. This is where you can search for your local businesses. So for example, I'm going to search for dry cleaners around me. And when you click on that, a list of dry cleaners in and around your area would pop up here. And then you can go through the list of all the dry cleaners around your area and find a business that you want to pitch your service to. So for example, like if you're pitching your reputation management service, you could go through the ratings and find a business that has less number of ratings and pitch them your service. So another thing you can look for is the WordPress website. If you are a WordPress designer, you could look for all the websites, all the services that doesn't have a website and pitch your website services to them. But we are interested in seeing how we can pitch our website performance service so that they can have a faster website and more optimized website. So in this case, we will select a business that has a WordPress website and click on, for example, like we select this and click on Save Prospect button. And then in the back end, the marketing audit report will run. And at the end of the report, you would get something like this, which you can download as a PDF, or you can share this report. So in this, you can see when you go further down, you can see the SEO report for the Google Maps and other listing and review settings, review summaries. But what we are interested in this video is when you go further down, you can see the website performance. So here you can see the page speed for the mobile site and the desktop site. And further down, you can see some of the suggestions to make it even better. In the desktop report, you can see 6 critical fixes that you must fix in order to have a better performance, and then 5 not very critical fixes, and then the same for your mobile website as well. When you click view, you can see the 6 fixes and another 5 fixes. So this report helps you to approach a company, approach a local business, and pitch your services and tell them that, look, these are some of the issues that you have, but I could help you to fix this if you want to work with me. And that's how you can use this marketing audit report to find new clients for your business. So this is how you use your prospecting tool, and the new addition to this prospecting tool is the website performance stats. So I hope this video was helpful, and I'll see you in the next one. Thank you.